Welcome back, guys. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to donate on Research Hub. It's pretty simple, so you're going to go ahead and go over to Uniswap. You're going to get your ETH on the base network, swap it for Research Coin. I will put the contract address in the description. That way you guys have the correct address. So go ahead and swap some Ethereum for Research Coin. Review, swap. Okay, then confirm. Got it. Now that we have our Research Coin, go ahead and head over to researchhub.com. You're going to create a profile. Just go through the steps, create an email. It's just like any social media. So after you create your profile, go ahead and go over to Fund. And you can see research that needs funding. So you can go down here, you can check to see who the funders have been. You can see if something interests you. You can also tip Research Coin to these. I don't know how that's different than funding it. Maybe it just goes into a different wallet. But anyways, what we have down here are just some research that you can go ahead and fund. You really don't have to, donate a whole lot to this. I'm just trying to normalize possibly sending some crypto gains to crowdfund science. And who knows, this is a solid project on the base network. So hopefully in the future, maybe there's some incentives or maybe, some NFTs, gifts, or something like that might be that I would hope for. So go ahead, and what you can do is fund right here. So I've seen that there is a 10 research minimum. I went ahead and asked the team if they're able to change this. I have not got an answer yet, but that would be great because even just one Research Coin would be awesome. So go ahead and you can just do 10, contribute. There you go. Also, I did forget one thing, so that's the easy part. The other part that you want to do is after you create your profile, go to your Research Coin wallet. Because you can't just connect a wallet like you typically would do on Aerodrome or Uniswap. You actually have to link your wallet and then deposit your Research Coin. It'd be a nice feature if there was just a donate connect wallet. That way, if you didn't want to do the whole profile and all that. So I've just sent in some of that feedback. But what you'll do is you'll hit this down button and then see, so I'll just deposit. Let's just deposit all my Research Coin. So there you go. That's my current balance. Here's after deposit. Okay, then this will pop up. There you go. And it could take up to 10 to 20 minutes to see it, but I've seen it in like 5 minutes. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Super simple. Just deposit your Research Coin in there, and you can just find, research that, looks a little interesting. All right, guys, leave a like, a subscribe, or if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them below. But other than that, have a good one.